Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here tonight from Adobe. This is ticker ADBE. Adobe is in a nice uptrend and above all the major moving averages. Had a bit of a dippity-doo down under the 50-day, the 21-day, and the 8 EMA here in early January, but since recovered and recovered quickly. And that's what I like. I'm fine with a stock going under the moving averages, but typically I want to see it get back above and really firm up quickly. And this did that over a series of just a couple of days, firmed up, and then nice power move here through that 50-day moving average. A little bit of a back test, and then just kind of climbed up that daily 8 exponential period moving average. And now we're consolidating near some previous highs. If I zoom out here, and fix the chart up a little bit, you can see this previous resistance zone back here from 2021, and it is now an area of resistance. So what I want to see from Adobe is a move through that level to the upside this way, coming on higher than average volume for a potential retest of the highs up here at around $700. So that would be, just a bit of a swing target here. But this is the kind of trade that I think you want to be patient with and just kind of let it ride up that 8 exponential period moving average. And, if you get a close under the 8-day, maybe you want to step away, wait for it to recover. But I think this could be a steady Eddie trade into earnings, which aren't until March 14th. So that's what I'm looking for from Adobe, a little bit of a march up that 8-day exponential period moving average and maybe a test of 700 just before earnings in March. And that's just one of many stocks that we're looking at right now at StockMarketMentor.com. You should definitely check out what we're up to. We have thousands of traders from all over the world working together and helping each other each and every day. StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.